The last decade has seen the introduction of many new laws, directives and acts designed to reduce, control and minimise industrial emissions to air. These include the Waste Incineration Directive, the Large Combustion Plants Directive and the Solvent Directive. All three of these directives and the implementation of IPPC permits to various industry sectors has resulted in there being an unprecedented demand for reliable and high-quality data generated from continuous emissions monitoring systems. With the introduction of new legislation has also come a general tightening up of emission limits for certain pollutants. This, in turn, has led to a requirement for instrumentation to have lower detection limits and greater accuracy and stability. 2005 saw the introduction of EN 14181, a new directive laying out strict new procedures for improving the quality assurance of data from automatic monitoring systems. The result is that monitoring equipment must be fit for purpose, MCerts approved, and subject to stringent quality assurance levels and annual testing to meet these requirements. Enviro Technology Services can provide a wide range of approved instrumentation, from single analyzers through to fully installed turnkey systems. Using mainly cross-duct, non-contact, non-extractive monitoring technology, coupled with advanced multi-component analyzers, almost any gas can be measured quickly, accurately, and above all, reliably. Traditionally difficult compounds such as hydrogen chloride, hydrogen fluoride and ammonia can be measured easily with the absolute minimum of operator maintenance, making Enviro Technology CEM systems perhaps the most automated and cost-effective systems available. Other process parameters such as oxygen, water vapour, temperature, pressure and particulate can be offered from our carefully selected range, which also includes state-of-the-art data collection, analysis and compliance reporting software. Our project management team provide an all-inclusive installation and commissioning service and are capable of working on any size project, both in the UK and overseas. We can also arrange third-party UKAS accredited periodic testing and the supply and maintenance of stack testing equipment.
Monitoring on these stacks has just been quite difficult. We used to monitor at low level. The stacks are quite wide, so it's very difficult to get a representative sample. And we have had some difficulties with traditional extractive sampling in the past. Therefore, when we started to look at emission monitoring 3 or 4 years ago, we needed a system that gave the right results and was reliable. My colleague Dave Manley did his final year project for his degree, looking at emissions monitoring for our process. In cooperation with Dave Curtis of DRC Consultancy, we came up with opposites as being possibly our best option, it being cross-stack. We therefore contacted Enviro Technology and borrowed a piece of equipment for a couple of months, and it proved that it A, worked and it was B, reliable. Since then, we installed our first system in about 3 years ago at our plant in Bedford, and we are now, the one behind me is our 7th system, and we'll be installing our 8th system hopefully sometime later this month. This is our opsis system, or part of our opsis system. It's the emitter, which is transmitting light across the stack into a receiver, which then sends signals down to the analyzer down below, and we're measuring sulfur dioxide at this point.
Drawing on over 20 years' experience and supplying only the highest quality emissions monitoring systems, Enviro Technology looks forward to solving your air monitoring problems now and in the future.